Now we are going to see this adjustment entry by the one illustration. Just see this illustration. A and B and D are the partners, equal partners, interest on capital, that capital is there, 50,000, 30,000, 25,000, 15,000. After closing this account for the year ended 31st March 19, it was discovered that according to the partnership deed, interest on capital 10% that we are not charging. Just see how to solve this, because we are not charging the interest on capital and directly distribute the profit between the partners. Okay, not charging the interest on capital and directly distribute the profit in partners. So here mainly problem, what problem is there? Main problem is that the total value of interest on capital. In amount case, main problem is this only, because other amount as like that, if 20,000 is profit but interest on capital 8,000, so problem with the 8,000, because rest 12,000 is distributed in the partner in his profit sharing ratio. But these 8,000, that is the amount of interest on capital, that is also distributed in the partner in ratio of interest on capital. So that is the problem. So first we are going to calculate interest on capital of that all partner. 50,000 10% 5,000, 30,000 10% 3,000, 25,000 10% 2,500, then 15,000 10% 1,500, and then these amount we are showing in one table. Make the table like that: A, B, C, D and total, A, B, C, D and total, A, B, C, D and total. Just see it very carefully. It's A, B, C, D and then total, A, B, C, D and then total. Okay, just see here. First we are presenting interest on capital, credit 5,000, 3,000, then 2,500 and then 1,500. The total, this is the problem. This amount is showing the problem because it's the interest on capital. We are not charging this interest on capital. So total amount is 12,000, and this 12,000 already distributed in the ratio of profit sharing ratio. So then we are just distributing this 12,000 in profit sharing ratio. That is the division of part of the 12,000 in profit sharing ratio, and profit sharing ratio is equally, because no profit sharing ratio is given in the question. So then 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Now we are just checking that who is taking the more amount and who is taking the less amount. 5,000 less 3,000, 2,000. 2,000 more. A taking 2,000 more. Then B equal C, they are getting 500 less. They are getting 500 less. And then 15 and 3,000. It means he is taking 1,500 less. Okay. Now to David, whose amount is coming in minus, that is David, and whose amount is coming in plus, that is credit. If minus interest on capital less the amount which is distributed in the partner in the term of profit sharing ratio, if plus is coming then credit, if minus is coming then debit, and it means C David, D David, to A. Just see the entry: C capital David, D capital David, to A capital, C capital David, D capital David, to A capital. Okay, now going for the one more question. This is the question, and question is Alia, Bhanu and Chand, 3 are the partners. His profit sharing ratio is 3:3:2, and profit is 80,000 without providing following adjustment. 2 adjustment: Alia and Chand were entitled to the salary 1,500 per month, and Bhanu entitled salary 4,000 per month. So first we are giving the salary, just so make again same table. 3 partner is there, so 3 table, 1 for total. Salary, credit, that amount is 18,000, 4,000 and 18,000, 1,500 monthly, then multiply by 12, 18,000, 18,000 and 4,000, 18,000, 4,000, 18,000. Okay, total amount is 40,000. Just take this amount 40,000 and divide in the profit sharing ratio 3:3:2, 15,000, 15,000 and 10,000. Then take the difference. Bhanu David, because amount is coming in minus, and Alia and Chand credit. So entry is Bhanu capital to just Bhanu capital to, where is that question? Bhanu capital to Alia capital to Chand capital. On this way we are going to solve the question. Okay, clear? Thank you.